Okay, it's the last box of the day. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What do we have here? Oh, it's the ramyeon. Okay. So let's look at the variety of ramyeon we have here. We have potato ramyeon. Then we have mild potato ramyeon. And finally, we have potato cup ramyeon. Very nice. Let's look at the ingredients here. We have, it says that there are soft and chewy noodles made with domestic potato starch. And, actually, all of these ingredients are from Korea. So this is 100% authentic ramyeon. And it also contains the dietary fiber of an entire head of lettuce, 300 grams worth. That is a lot. Wow. Okay, so I am very excited to try this ramyeon. I love eating it. Let's start. Okay, we have our ramyeon in the bowl, so now it is time to eat. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna start with the mild version because I wanna make sure that I can taste it correctly. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait. Let's try it. Oh, that's good. These noodles are chewy. That's a nice texture. The mild, it isn't spicy, which is great for people who have a hard time eating lots of spicy, peppery things, but it still has a very deep flavor. So I'm gonna move over to the spicy one now. When I first came to Korea, I had a hard time with spicy food, but now I love it. Let's see if we can get a good grip of this. Take a bite. Oh, this one's so good too. So this one is a little bit spicier, but as you can see, it's not overwhelmingly spicy. It's that perfect amount for the people that like that extra little kick in their meal. Oh, that is so good. And both of these, they have a lot of vegetables in the broth, so it really keeps the taste light. It isn't some overpowering meat flavor, or it doesn't have a lot of it doesn't have that chemical flavor to it. It really feels nice and light. And don't forget, we also have the cup ramyeon version. So if you're looking for something convenient, something quick and easy to make, or maybe if you're traveling, you can definitely do the cup ramyeon version. And if you want more creative ways to make ramyeon using these two products, then check out the Pop Fun Studio on YouTube. Well, I have to say, this was a very delicious global unboxing today. I enjoyed everything from the honey to the coffee to this delicious ramyeon I have in front of me. If there's any other products that you'd like me to share, please send us a link below. Global unboxing is open to anyone. See you next time. I'm gonna finish off these ramyeon. Bye-bye.